obviously, yes. You will get respect in front of others, and they also greet you. They can help you. You should not do you everything by yourself, right? They get available each and everything to you. So that is
Hmm.
another benefit I must say. To be a teacher, you get benefit from your students, obviously. So yeah. Okay, haven't you tried to get a government job, or you are very contented toward your institute itself?
Yes, man. I have tried many times. Not many times. When I was reading in 10th class, I had a dream to, but when I qualified intermediate, I got 72% marks. But for the being a Air Force, it was needed 26% marks. So that time I.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Tell about you.
I'm also doing well. Thank you so much for asking too. So we are meeting for the very first time, and there is no your mention about your name, anything. So I love to know about you before
Okay, ma'am.
going to the further. Yeah, please introduce yourself.
Okay, thanks for giving me such an opportunity to introduce myself. This is the Satya sir from Aurangabad, Bihar, and I am English teacher. I have my offline coaching in my district in my area, and I did graduation. Right now, I am pursuing MA in English, and I am fond of watching movies. This is my short introduction, man.
Okay, that's glad to hear about you. You are an English teacher, so I got chance to have communication with the teacher. That is a glad thing for me. Okay, I'm a Susmita. I belong to Assam, currently based in UP, holding master and top of that PGDC as a computer course. I'm married person, mother of one kid. Simultaneously, I run a YouTube channel by the name of Global English Quest. That's all about me.
Okay, that's also great. If you are running your YouTube channel, then most of us are learning from you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, I'm policing myself as well, and I try to help to others too who
Hmm.
are beginner. Yes. So, okay, tell me about your learning journey. You're already a teacher, so what brought you here?
My journey was so poor, ma'am, because I did my all qualification from Hindi medium background, and
Okay.
up 12th class I was so poor in English. Even I don't know how to make a single sentence in English. But I did many classes. I joined many spoken English classes, but I don't think that there I couldn't find any improvement in me, because there the teacher used to teach only English grammar, English words, and when they said to me that you have to communicate with anyone, you have to just start speaking in English, nothing come, nothing came in my
Okay.
mind. My mind goes blank that time. But I made some of the friends that time, and I started communicating with them. So I think that I felt a lot of improvement in me. And today, when I think that I'm eligible, first of all, I when I started my coaching, I used to teach only English grammar, because
Okay.
I thought that when anyone will come to me to learn English speaking, and when I will be not so fluent in English, then no one will believe in me. So I used
Mhm.
to only teach grammar, but after some time I thought that I should also start English a spoken class. When I will start, then I will also improve myself. So I started, and it has been 3 years in this field I'm teaching.
Oh, wow. It has been 3 years. You have been teaching speaking English as well.
Speaking English, I started from 1 year, but in this field, in this journey, I'm from 3 years.
Okay, wow, that's great. You are running your own institute, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you feel running on institute? You are a owner of this institute. So how do you feel?
I'm feeling very happy because I'm helping out most of the students. Even I know most of the students who come to me, they are financial very weak. and if they will come to other coaching, they will not teach. So if I feel lucky because I'm eligible, that I'm teaching them, and not get such an opportunity, they will not read, they will not study. So I think it's good if I am fulfilling all my desire, all my wish, and if I am also helping others, then it's good for me.
Obviously, that is a good thing. Okay, in your institute, which level people come, or every age people can come in your institute, or there any level they can come only?
The student come because we have a team. We teach competitive level students, also 11th, 12th class students, and a spoken English. We also, so all types of students and all types of schooling students come in our coaching.
Okay, adults also can come in your institute, right?
Yeah.
That is the good thing. You are able to teach adults too. So
Mm.
must you feel proud yourself, right? You are able to help others who did not get chance in their time to learn or speak this language. So that's
I
great.
train some of the students come who are older than me, and
Mhm. Yes.
you can see they greet me and they give respect to me. I feel very happy, and also their parents invite me on any type of occasion, on any type of auspicious time. Oh, I visit there, and I feel very happy because I'm not older. um,
Yes,
so I
really,
feel
really.
in my
Hmm.
time, yes, I'm helping, and most of us know me and give.
Really, they greet you, really, they respect you. That is a good thing. You are able to get this kind of respect too, right? So I can resonate it, I can relate it because I was also a teacher of computer when I was before marriage. I used to teach computer. That time, elder than me people used to come in this institute. So I used to teach. So definitely I can resonate it that how it's feel if you have to tease elder than you people, right? So yes, we feel happy, really we feel happy and we feel grateful that yes, I'm able to teach too, or I'm able to help others who did not get chance in their time, right?
Hmm.
So okay, were you thinking to be a teacher, or did you have any other aim or motive to be?
Yes, ma'am. Right now, because I need also a lot of financial support. I'm earning. I'm also fulfilling my all sufficient. You can say things, but I think that if I will go in another sector, then I will also earn a lot of money. But I don't go because I think that if I will go in any other sector, there I will get money, but I will not get a huge amount. And I
Okay,
will not
you're
that in this field I'm happy, and I want to live only in this field because here I am getting everything.
obviously, that is the main thing. You are satisfied whatever you are doing, right? That is the happiest point, or whether you are getting or earning much money according your desire, but you are satisfied, then it will be better. That is the better thing, right?
Yes. So my
Obviously. So
to know you,
yeah, please.
how can we learn computer without going any coaching classes, without joining any coaching classes from YouTube or from any social media? How can we learn computer? Because I don't get time to go anywhere to do coaching classes, but I'm eager to learn also computer. So how can I learn?
Nowadays, everything we are getting on GP, right? If you, whatever you want to learn from, Chat GPT or from YouTube, especially, you can get practical example via the video. So you can learn from there, from YouTube. There you
Hmm.
can get very, proper video to learn any particular things. So I must say that if you want to learn computer, then you should go on YouTube and you can search by the basic things like a basic Excel, right? Pacemaker or Word. So you can learn basic things, whatever you have required. I don't think we should go institute if you want to get a deep knowledge about the any particular thing, that you should go institute. Otherwise, everything we are able to manage with the help of YouTube or social media,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
So you can learn if you want to learn little bit, or if you want to learn deeply, then you must consult with the teacher by physically.
Hmm. But I will
Yes.
learn online classes. I'll do. I will watch video from YouTube and ChatGPT as you told, because I don't get
Yeah.
much time anywhere, and I have laptop, computer, everything.
Ah, okay. Nowadays, it's a computer also important because you are running on institute. So sometimes it's required to make some questions paper, right? Must you take examination as well there, and you have to make seats as well, and result as well, right? So little bit you should have knowledge about the computer as well.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah,
You are also in teaching field.
you are
So,
also
ma'am,
in a teaching field, yeah.
I'm
Sorry.
asking.
Your voice is not.
I'm asking you, ma'am. You were also
Yeah.
in teaching field, as you told.
I was a teacher. Now I'm completely homemaker and simultaneously I run YouTube channel.
Okay, when you were the teacher, what made you much happy when you started teaching?
I had a dream to be a teacher. This is the very respectful job, I must say. And
Mm,
people greet you, people respect you, and you should be a knowledgeable if you want to be a teacher, right? So for teach on the pretext of teaching to someone, you have to, learn, or you have to gain knowledge about the any particular niche, whatever you are going to teach. So that's how your thinking process also break, and your knowledge also will break, right?
mm,
So that is the I like most, and I love to teach people, I love to help them, and
mm,
to grow their future, to grow their in their future. So yes, that is things, it gives me satisfaction. I am feeling really contented if I get chance to teach to people. I
mm,
feel happy, it's give me satisfaction.
mm. Yeah,
What
there are
about
many.
you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
I'm thinking that there are many ways to learn, to earn money, but to get respect, I think there are not many fields. This is the, I think, good field where we can get money and also respect.
yes, yes. Also, we get respect, and when you see the your students is growing, they are achieving their goal. That time you get another kind of satisfaction, right? Another kind of happiness you will get. See, at that time, you feel that yes, this is my students, and he or she got success right now. So this is the another kind of success, satisfaction you get. So this is the another kind of happiness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also we get a lot of, you can say this, we get a lot of advantage when we live in this sector, because wherever I go, if I'm traveling by bus and there is no seat, but any of the students meet to me, sir, you are standing, sir, sit down, I will stand. And
Ah.
there are many you can say many areas where I go, as like when I will go in marriage anywhere, and if I met to my student, I will get I will get
Yes.
available everything by the students. So
Obviously, yes. You will get respect in front of others, and they also greet you. They can help you. You should not do everything by yourself, right? They get available each and everything to you. So that is
mm,
another benefit, must say. To be a teacher, you get benefit from your students, obviously. So yeah. Okay, haven't you tried to get a government job, or you are very contented to what your institute itself?
yes, man, I have tried many times, not many times. When I was reading in 10th class, I had a dream to, but when I qualified intermediate, I got 72% marks, but for the being a Air Force, it was needed 26% marks. So that time I felt demotivated and frustrated. So I left my dream and I started. I first of all, uh, up to 10th class, I don't used to study because
Okay.
I I didn't get interest in the study sector. Every time I used to play here and there, and but
It's happened.
I
Mhm.
started studying from 10th class.